In today's recording, we're going to learn to use the call routing features of our 8x8 phone system. We're going to start off by going to 8x8.com. We're going to click on the Virtual Office Online here. That'll bring us up. You'll need to sign in with the username and password. And sign in there. You could leave the Remember Me on as well for future use. Once you're in, it'll ask you if you want to use your microphone and camera. Allow that. And we're ready to go. To change the call routing settings, we're going to click on the Settings button here. It'll bring open a new window over here to the right. We're going to go over to the Call Forwarding tab, and we're going to work on the default rules. We can enable and create new rules, but for the time being we're going to work on the default rules. There are currently 3 default rules we can mess with. When my internet connection is down, we typically won't have an issue with that, we hope. When my virtual office phone number is busy, we may have want to just check on those settings depending on who's on duty during the day. If the phone's being used, then this is what the rules it will follow if we wanted to call someone else's. And then lastly, this is the one we'll use during the day, and more importantly during the evening when we don't answer our phone, when I don't answer my call for 15 seconds. And we can change the duration of that anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds. And then we can also, this is where we'll edit that rule and put in the phone numbers. We do not want to enable call screening. Typically we don't want to drop the call when they hear a busy signal. And lastly, here's where we will add additional phone numbers for the additional managers that are going to be working. So let's add a number here. And I'm going to click the Add button, and that's now on my list here. Let's add one more number just for experiment. And we're going to add that. Now we've got 3 different phone numbers that this phone will call. If no one answers the telephone on the desk, then it will start forwarding calls. In this case, we've got it simultaneously. So all 3 phones will ring simultaneously. Whoever answers the call wins. We can also do it sequentially. So if we want to have it go in order, 1, it'll call this phone number. If it doesn't answer, it will move on to the next one, so on and so forth. Again, if none of those phones answer, then forward calls to voicemail. We'll leave that checked off. In this case, we probably want simultaneously so that it can call multiple people. Whoever's available can answer it and go. In this case, we are not going to do those 2, so delete that one. That's how you would take people off the list, just delete their name from the list. And now you can see we just have one person that after hours it's going to call if no one answers the desk phone. And if this person, myself, does not answer, it will go to voicemail. We're going to click OK here, and don't forget to save all your changes. You've successfully saved your changes. Close that, and now we're ready to go. So if we go back and look at our default rules, it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.